Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So I wanted to go over a tutorial showing you how you can get your dislike counts back on YouTube. I'm sure you're all aware of the change that YouTube made on the platform. They chose to make the decision to hide the dislike count. So we're going to show you how we can get that back. There's actually a Chrome extension, and I'm sure it's available in other browsers that will allow you to display that dislike button once again for all of your YouTube videos. I use that to determine if I'm going to watch a video depending on what the ratio is. So let's get into how we can install that. So if we go to Chrome extensions, and you can go to Google and type in Chrome extensions, go into the web store and use extensions, and we'll do a search. It's return YouTube dislike is the extension, and as you can see, there's over 5,000 reviews. It's a 5-star rating, and that's not surprising because everyone hates this change. So we'll click on the extension, and you can also see that there's over 400,000 installs, and I actually had installed this a week ago and it was 20,000. So in a week time it's exploded. Once again, people just hate that they can't see that dislike count. So click on add, slow continue, and then we'll say add extension, and it'll usually give us a little notification that it's been added right here. So delete out that, we'll go back to YouTube, and we happen to be displaying Matt Koval's YouTube channel. He's actually, I think, their content creator ambassador for YouTube. So he actually announced the change and, kind of went into detail about why, they made the change and everything. And as you can see right now, we can't see that, but if we refresh, since it's been installed, we should be able to see that dislike count, and as you can see, it does display. So now we see the 427,000 dislikes compared to the 24,000 dislikes. Everyone hates this change. So, but that's a way to do it. Now I do want to note that YouTube is actually providing this in their API feed, and that's how the developers were able to get this information. But YouTube did say that they're going to discontinue allowing that value in their API. So the developers of that Chrome extension have until December 13th to figure out a different way to display it. So we'll see what happens, but at least until December 13th, we do have kind of a workaround. So hopefully, YouTube will change their mind. This was just a horrible decision. I have another video where I explain my thoughts on the decision and everything, so go check that out. So I hope this will help you and bring you some value and avoid you from wasting your time, because I know it's been, for me, my biggest gripe is that it wastes my time, because I end up looking at videos that aren't worth my time. So hopefully this helped. Hopefully this has brought you value. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and we'll talk to you later. Take care.